Okay Tom, quick talk through the wiring tray. I did a bit of this in the other video, but it'll come to you exactly like that with all the wiring attached. You'll just have to make the 4 holes in the floor tray for the posts and bolt it up, but a bit more of that later. So basically you've got your 2 battery connections, negative with the black one, which goes to this earthing post, and red goes to the positive of the battery. That's just a small battery that I use on the dyno. Okay, super seal connectors, colour to colour under the engine, so that's no problem. Red and green to the pickup, and 2 yellows to the generator, and round the front the connector to the start and kill switch on the gear lever, and you can see the colours there. There's actually 4 wires going to the back of that connector, yellow and black, sort of orangey brown, and in the middle blue and black and white, and at the other end, coming from the harness, it's what is it, black and yellow, brown, and I think that's all black. Oops. Yeah, all black. Okay, so that's it, you can't get it wrong really. And of course the harness will be plugged into the CDI box, but you can see it there. Right, the 2 thick cables coming up to the engine. Again, for the long cable going to the starter, one of my famous chain link brackets, goes up over the top and into the back of the starter. And the other one is the earth, the shorter lead, just earths onto that bolt on the clutch cover. Right, the only other connection is the coil. I'll just turn you sideways on so you can get it all in the picture. Yeah, there we are pretty much. So the live wire to the oops, falling about. The live wire to the coil there, which is white and blue, a little bit of sleeving round it, and cable tied to the earth strap, and then it just goes up and over and into the connection. The reason for doing that is that when the coil moves about, you can see the cable moves with it, so there's no strain or any tendency to break the wire as it goes into that connector. The other end of the earth strap is just bolted to the engine on this bolt immediately below the water pump drain. You can see the copper washer on the water pump drain, just immediately onto there, and that is all your wiring connections to the engine. Yeah, I don't think I can say a lot more about that. Okay, that's that one.